The utilities sector provides the essential services that keep our modern lives running. Let's look at why investors pay attention to these companies. Utilities are companies that provide basic services like electricity, natural gas, water, and waste management to residential and commercial customers. Because these businesses have predictable cash flow, they are often known for paying steady dividends, which attracts many income-focused investors. Utilities are considered defensive stocks. Since everyone needs electricity and water, these companies often hold up better during economic downturns. Compared to high-growth tech stocks, utilities offer a much slower pace of change, prioritizing reliable income over explosive market expansion. Utilities are sensitive to interest rates. When rates rise, the cost of borrowing increases and bond yields become more competitive with utility dividends. Remember that utilities are meant to be a steady anchor. They rarely provide exponential returns, but they offer predictability in a volatile market. Understanding sector basics helps you build a balanced portfolio. Subscribe for more money basics and save this video to review later.